Planning on organizing a special event, workshop, gathering, or retreat? By using the Events feature, your events will stand out more than ever before. Access is sold through a ticketing system, enabling your yogis to book a spot without even needing a membership or class pass. Plan your first event by navigating to Events and click on Add Event. Here, we can fill in a title and description for our event and add photos to set the mood. Afterward, you can choose the time frame and select whether you are going to host the event in person or online. For the in-person option, you'll be able to specify a location, and for the online event, you'll be able to fill in a link and additional information such as the event's password to gain access as a yogi. We'll make sure that your yogis receive this access information 30 minutes before the event starts. Furthermore, you'll be able to choose if your yogis are able to attend for free or through a ticketing variation, such as one or multiple ticket types. And set a limit to the number of participants. And last, set how your yogis are able to find your event.